Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to reveal one of the very powerful yet easy Microsoft PowerPoint trick. And with the help of this trick, you will be able to navigate between different slides very easily and very effectively. And for that I am going to tell you one of the keyboard shortcut. Friends, I have created few slides for you. This is slide number 1. This is slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, 5, 6 and slide number 7. And friends, for this navigation I have used arrow key on the keyboard. And these arrow keys are quite useful when we want to navigate slides one by one. But now let us assume the case when I want to move to slide number 7 from slide number 1. And I don't want to show slide number 2 to slide number 6. And for that, friend, you simply need to press numeric key 7 on the keyboard followed by enter key. So you will reach slide number 7. Let us take the another case. If you want to move to slide number 3 directly from slide number 7, then you simply need to press numeric key 3 on the keyboard followed by enter. And for illustration, let us take another example. If I want to move to slide number 6, then you need to press numeric key 6 followed by enter. In short, we can say that if we want to navigate to a particular slide in the presentation, we need to press an equivalent numeric number on the keyboard followed by enter key. I hope that this video would be quite informative for all of you. Please share your feedback in the comment section. And in future, we are planning to create many such videos. And those who have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. And to get the notification of all the videos as early as possible, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.